Hello guys, right now nandito tayo sa Labong Restaurant. Okay, pasok tayo sa loob. Hello guys, we are here at Labo Restaurant.
In 57th floor.
Yeah, in 57th floor of
Marina
Baysand. Okay, so it's look like you're in the top of the world. You can see everything down there.
Super Trio.
Alright.
360.
Okay.
That's what the guy on the bike.
Count mo yung Super 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15, mga 15 no. Uy, hindi natin napuntahan yun no, mga bear yun no.
Bukas pa tao, paano wala?
Meron. Naanok sa cellphone ito.
Hindi yan. Yes. So ito guys, isa to sa mga under construction pa. Okay.
Greet daw po. Greet po, greet po. Oh, may video yun. Wow, this is our food for tonight. Pizza and meatloaf. Oh, here's the birthday celebrant. Here's Kuya Dave, Mamita, and Kalili.
So guys, ito po yung order namin na food. We order tomato and basil pasta and burrata pizza
and the house special
the signature
meatloaf.
dish of Lago restaurant, the meatballs.
Meatballs made of wagyu and sausage.
Made of wagyu and sausage. And pwede Kali kulit. And Mita. Mita, mamaya ka na mag-compute. Eh, what's this, Mami?
Complimentary bread.
Complimentary bread. With parang...
Bread. With bread. Iba-ibang bread.
Birthday niya.
Birthday.
Akala ko yung ano eh, yung mayroong linga.
Hindi. Ano siya bread yan?
Okay.
Don't forget, mommy. Saan ba naiiyan yung ulit? And the birthday boy. Show the birthday boy.
But first, I want to thank Mami Pog for this event. Okay, hindi to matutuloy kung hindi nag-idea si Mami Pog nito. And ating mga supportive na kapatid, si Mita Kay and Brother Dave and our baby Colette. Kali Colette.
Hi, camera. Happy birthday, Paul.
Happy birthday. Oh, yeah. Show the birthday.
Again.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paul. Happy birthday, Paul.
Kali, say happy birthday po.
Oh, nahihiya na siya. So guys, since this is my birthday celebration. Yeah, here in Singapore. Okay, and I hope guys, this is not the last, but the beginning of our travel. Kuhain na natin itong meatballs. Alam nyo guys, isang meatballs lang to pero good for porto.
Wow. Tayo ko pala meatballs.
Wow, so malaki. Sakto sa ating apat.
Yeah.
Share is caring.
Sharing is caring.
And
Friend.
food
Is war. Means war.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you guys.
Let's eat. Atak na.
Sarap din ng pasta, ah. Alaga din yung kay Mita. May konti lang. Sarap sa labot.
Hindi ka matabaw.
Flavorful nga eh.
Oh, yummy.
Sarap ng meatloaf. Ano kanya ng meatloaf? I love the meatloaf. Meatball ba? Meatball? No, hindi meatloaf.
Sarap. Napid ka?
May burata. Ganito ba yung lasa ng burata? Yung bilog na cheese.
Oo.
Buit.
Yung trip?
Ay, pakita yung meatball. Baka magustuhan niya.
Napaka-flavorful ng ano.
Ay, ba't nawala?
Napaka-flavorful ng... Yes.
Okay
Very
naman
good.
po. Thank you. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Salamat.
Pinoy din.
Oo.
Yung mga
Manager nila.
Supervisor, manager nila. Pinoy din. Ang dami ditong Pinoy dyan sa
Ang
lobby.
team nandun.
Manager, mga waitress, lahat.
Karamihan naman nag-work dito, mga kababayan natin. Kaya hindi kayo mahirapan makapag-communication dito.
Sarap ng burrata pizza.
Burrata pizza.
First time ko na ano eh, nakatim na
Ganda.
burrata.
Pwede ka.
Thank you, thank you. Tingin tayo ng drinks. Dami ano. Nakabitin yung pasta.
Pero masarap.
Dili oh, it's burger steak. So yummy. Love Dominion. You remember? You want to go to the Halloween? Or you eat that? Then we go to Halloween. You're not going.
Masarap niya.
You're not going Halloween na. Okay. Kakape ba kayo?
Nakaiba rin dati yan. Huh?
Wagyu beef daw yan.
Masarap.
Sarap, iba-iba.
Ano, purong-purong beef yung ano, yung meat niya, purong-purong beef. Plus yung potato and yung cheese, ang sarap. Saktong-sakto siya rin sa meat. Napaka-flavorful.
Baka yung $3 niya. Hanggang sa matapos na.
Ano yan? Hindi, nag-ano yan. Battery saving yan.
Parang mosquito pa dun daw.
So guys, sa kabilang side po ng Labo Restaurant, andito yung infinity pool ng Marina Bay Sand.
Okay naman.
May bayad to ha. Okay. Sino may opo dito? Wala na, okay na. Good. Ganyan talaga pag family. Yes. Okay. Sing together? We sing together? 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aldrin. Yeah. Photo. Happy birthday. Whole family, closer. 3. Don't hide. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Ayan. Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you, Mami. Love you.
Happy birthday, love you!
Pasinding. Brother, pasinding lang. Ay, pag-love yun. Binita ni Lily.
Okay. Blow na. Yay! Thank you. Picture. Picture with your cake. Wait. 2, 3.
Cafe latte and my 21 layer cake with Mami Pog, Tita Kali, and happy anniversary Brother Dave and Mita. Hope you will grow all together.
Cappuccino. What else are you doing?
That's a video with photo.
Hello, mami.
Parang dito na sa loob.
Pabili ka na
Pero
lang.
kaya.
Ano mo siya? Yeah.
Like honestly, I'm like, even after 6 years, it's there's nothing better than standing here on the night before the F1 weekend and just being like, yeah,
Like there's obviously some building work going on.
yeah,
I believe how quick that's come up.
I know.
So sorry, we have only the lemon sauce. Like this. So yeah.